In this video, you are going to see how to put header on page in Google Docs. Here you will see I have two pages and I have the header in only on page. So let's get started. In this Google Docs, I have two pages. Let us go to Insert, go to Page Element and click on Header. Then here you will see I have two pages and header is inserted. Now let us write here something header. Now click on outside and you will see the header is in the first page and also in the second page. Now click on this header and click on this option different first page. Now let us write a header, my header, select it, make it bold, make it center and increase the font size and change the color. Now here you will see in the second page I have the header. Go to over here, click on and just remove it. Now here in the first page I have the header, in the second page I have no header. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.